Hi, I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Today I'm making a non-dairy vanilla ice cream recipe that's low in sugar and carbs, and I'm gonna add a little topping, milk chocolate chips, and is absolutely delicious. I'll be using my trusty KitchenAid stand mixer and the KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker attachment. If you want to know more about this product, I recently made a review video of it. You can click on it right here. Now for the recipe. We're going to start with the heat off, and then we'll add 2 cans of unsweetened coconut cream or full-fat coconut milk. I do not recommend going with low fat when it comes to ice cream. It's probably not going to turn out well. You just want to go for the full fat when it comes to this. Just so you know, this is 2 cans of 13.5 fluid ounces. It's just a little bit more than 3 cups. Then you're gonna add granulated zero sugar Lakanto. Lakanto comes in a few different varieties. There's a zero sugar powdered sugar, there's a zero sugar brown sugar, and then there's a zero sugar granulated sugar, which is what we're gonna be using today. So 2/3 of a cup of granulated zero sugar Lakanto, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt, and as an optional addition, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which is considered a natural stabilizer, and it helps prevent ice crystals from forming on your ice cream, which is kind of great, and it's often used in organic food products. We're gonna add it into ours. Then we'll turn the heat onto medium-low, and we're gonna stir it pretty much the whole time for 5 minutes until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is warmed through. You just wanna make sure there's no clumps. I'm actually using a whisk, which I think helps break up the clumps a little bit easier to just whisk it through. This is a really cool whisk though. It's a silicone whisk. Depends what kind of pan you have. If you have stainless steel pans, using a regular whisk is absolutely the way to go. But if you have a nonstick coating or anything that doesn't really handle metal well, these are fantastic. They're awesome. They do the job without damaging the pans. I'll have a link to this in the description below, as well as all the other products you see in this video in case you want to check them out. It's perfectly normal for it to bubble and froth a little bit. We're basically a human frother right now with the whisk, but we would prefer it not to boil over. So just keep the heat on medium-low and just keep it at only about 5 minutes. We have warmed it through and we have incorporated the ingredients beautifully. So now we're gonna let it cool for a few minutes and pour it into a covered, heat-proof, airtight container. Then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours because it has to be fully chilled before the ice cream can be made. You'll want to decant your chilled ice cream batter into something that has a pour spout, as it will be much easier and less messy when pouring into the ice cream maker attachment. We've already done that, so now let's start. Let's set it to stir and then pour that ice cream batter in. For this recipe, we are going to add a topping only after we fully make the ice cream. So we will let it churn for closer to 18 to 20 minutes total. As you can see, the ice cream is creeping up on the sides. A tiny ring is forming around the top edge, and it appears to have the consistency of frozen yogurt or soft serve. So we know this batch is done churning. We're at about 20 minutes of churning on stir. I think we are ready. Let's turn it off. Oh, it looks so good. If you have it right now, it's more the consistency of a soft serve or a frozen yogurt, but it is absolutely delicious. And if that's the way you like to eat it, now is the time to eat it. Now, using a rubber spatula, plastic, or wooden spoon, transfer the ice cream into a dessert dish or airtight freezer container for storage. I love these little ice cream containers that I just got. They even come with these cute little labels that you can handwrite your ice cream flavors onto. They're just so adorable. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. This looks awesome. And we're ready to pop this into the freezer for a couple of hours, and then we'll be enjoying it. And now, just for fun, I'm gonna add a little topping. These are Lily's milk chocolate chips that has 0 sugar and is really delicious. This brand is also great for no sugar baking. They have a few different flavors available, including semi-sweet chocolate chips and peanut butter chips. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some chips on here. So how does the non-dairy ice cream taste? Let's give it a whirl. That is so good. The chocolate chips are really a lovely addition too. But honestly, vanilla by itself is really fabulous. That is so good. That is absolutely delicious. And see, you can't get this at the grocery store, so it's a pretty fantastic thing. Wow, that's great.
The full recipe is in the description below. The product links are in the description as well. For more recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.